go. So I just called in at the showgrounds, had a quick chat with the dyno dudes because I was booked in for 12 o'clock today to... That's noisy. I had booked in to do a dyno run at 12 o'clock, but we got the street racing at 12:30 now, so I just had to go and cancel that, unfortunately, so I don't get to see what my car makes on their dyno with the blower. So last year I think it made 355 or something like that, NA. Here comes a noisy car. So yesterday at the street drags, it hooked up not too bad. I hadn't, for whatever reason, the Heltec didn't log them, so I've made a little adjustment, so hopefully it logs it today. But I was pulling 15 degrees of timing for 3 seconds or something like that, so it seemed to hook up okay, but if anything it felt a little bit doughy, I thought. So I've reduced the time that the timing is retarded by a bit, and I've lowered the overall timing by a bit. And because you shouldn't change too many things at once, I've also lifted the RPM of the launch control from 2.5 to 3.5 grand. So changed heaps of stuff, so I'll probably be completely different today, but I think I'll probably only get one chance because I'm in the 6.5 second bracket, and my best time ever is 6.8, but realistically I've dialed in like a 7.5 for today. So I think 7.5 is achievable, but running a 7.5 isn't going to impress anybody because I'm in with all the big guys. So I saw the Skid Factory's Commodore ran like a 6.5 something, which was actually at the time was quicker than the Nana's run that I saw, so that'll be interesting. He's got some competition there. Yeah, I've got no chance of winning anything today because I'm literally racing drag cars. So yeah, I'll just wind up the timing a bit and just send it. I think there'll only be one chance, so have some fun, and then we'll come back and load it on the trailer and head home. So Brad's got a spot on Quay Street today, so he's pretty excited, so hopefully he gets some footage of his car there. And yeah, hopefully we can make a bit of a video out of day 3. We've just been so cooked with the hot temperatures and no one really feels like videoing anything, so luckily Toby and Mum have done a bit, which is handy. And here comes the PA. Anyway, I'll catch up with you. I'll get some more content. Hopefully we can send it down the strip today without breaking anything.
Sunday morning down on Quay Street. I'm filling in for Brad. He's down watching the drags. Yeah, managed to get Brad's car parked up on Quay Street today. Yeah, lots of people interested in it. Asking lots of questions and taking photos. It's good to see.
We have had lots of people come up and ask us about a number plate. So I've got VL Life on mine. I got mine originally, and my Life has the I, L-I-F-E. And when we were getting Brad's ones, we were just playing around on the number plate generator thing. And if we did L number 1 F-E, but it just looks like an I. So that's actually a number 1. So they do look very similar. Mine's got those thingies on it, but heaps of people in the street parade, you can see them going, "You got the same number plates," and everyone's commenting, everyone's coming up and asking. So there you go. We did put a post on Facebook and Instagram telling everyone that, but now YouTube knows as well.
Nice shirt.
Just told us to stage and now they're going to have lunch.
No. I should have left my shirt on. Hi. Hi. What's doing?
Just put on my drag racing shirt. I almost forgot it. down the road first. So.
Alright.
You gonna watch me this time?
Yep.
Oh, good. Not,
All the e-scooters are
not
booked out.
scootering around. All right. Mum's
Mad.
watching. Mum's watching over there. All right. I'm
Mad.
just gonna send it.
Alright, mine.
So here we are, we're staging the 650 class. I feel a little bit left out because I don't have a parachute and I'm not wearing a race suit. That kind of tells you the caliber of cars I'm up against.
Well done, buddy.
Nice car, mate.
Rightio, so we have got both the cars loaded up. ROCKYNATS 06 is complete.
Done.
We had an awesome time getting the cars out. Had 2 cars this year, not just Dad's, so that was...
Yours looked pretty cool, driving around the
Yeah.
streets and that.
Yeah, that was a bit better.
You got to enjoy it more. You and Toby actually got to enjoy it more
Yeah,
than just sort of hanging around in my car or whatever. But
yeah.
Yeah.
Got to go in the street parade, which was cool. Had a lot of people recognising the car in the street parade.
yeah, a lot of people talking about the 2 number plates that were the same.
Yeah,
Nearly the same. Street drags today, so yeah, we only got the 1 run. I got beaten. I ran a slower time than I did, a 7.8 I think, than I did yesterday, so that's all right. The wagon that beat me wound the boost up, I think, for his next run and just blew the tyres off it, so he ended up running quite a slow run the second time, but it's heaps of fun. It's pretty cool. It's a well-run event. They pumped out so many cars through there, and everyone was really worried that they weren't going to get too many runs, but they seem to be on top of it. Big thanks to the staff of ROCKYNATS too. Like, there's so many people that have jobs to do around here, and they're just always helpful and easy to talk to. You got a question, they're quite happy to help you out or whatever, right from scrutineering right through to the street drags and everything like that. So thanks a lot for that. It was a very well run event.
yeah, it was.
Yeah. Quay Street, you had to go park your car on Quay Street
Yeah.
today, didn't you?
Got to have my VL on Quay Street. Heaps of people coming up to me. Thanks for coming to say hello, having a chat. It's probably one of the highlights, getting to meet all of you guys.
Heaps of people.
Yeah.
Just blew me away how many people would come up and ask questions about Haltech stuff, or
Yeah, it was
how'd
good.
you do this and looking at this, and yeah, really cool.
Big thank you to Toby behind the camera for driving my car around for me when I wasn't allowed to.
Yep, Kujanel Plater.
Yep.
What are you looking forward to next year?
Pretty much everything again, and one request I have is lollipops in the ROCKYNATS entrant bags. Because I was really looking forward to having a lollipop, but I was...
Or jelly beans.
I was disappointed. But the rest was good.
Yeah.
Just lollipops next year, please.
All right, sick. So what's next for your car?
Hopefully a turbo.
Turbo.
Gonna go down that path.
Yeah, righto. Bit of drag racing, bit of
Yep.
turbo action. Yeah, righto. Okay, cool.
What's your plan
Who's
for my
paying
car?
for that?